Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial on how to design a football match flyer. And then from here, let's dive in straight. This is a rectangle. We'll draw a rectangle like this, and then we downloaded the background which we need for this class, and our background was gotten from Pinterest. Let's paste here. This is it. Then we'll power click by right click. You right click and hold, and then drag inside the rectangle like this. Then double click in to check for the space in, and then we are trying to fit it like this. Then remove the outline respectively. So what is left for us to start with? We need the two logos in order, and then draw a rectangle like this, smaller, and then let's try to play around with it using the fill. Select it, the interactive fill. Look at the interactive fill down here, click on it, drag, and then you have color base. Let's double click in the middle. Let's use a lighter green, something like this. From here, let's use black and see. Let's use black, and then from the ends, let's use black. Let's use black and see. Then let's change this to a more lighter green. Then from here, remove the outline as well, and then let's copy the logos respectively. I have it on my WhatsApp. Let's copy here, mainly bring in, copy, paste here, copy and paste. This is the logo of the first club, then the logo of the second club. Copy from here and also bring. This is the logo of the second club. Then what you are expected to do here next is these are the information. The information say match day, Cyber Boys, Lower Benue FC, and then we'll create a cycle. Hold control on your keyboard like this, then paste in. This is the home team. This is the home team logo. Readjust the logo to fit in like this. Readjust it. And if by any course in this tutorial I'm too fast, you can also call my attention in the comment section so that I can revert any process you don't understand. And then from here, let's duplicate this to the right, duplicate it, and then let's right click and then drag in, click, power click, double click in, delete the previous one in, and readjust this inside and drag like that. So this is for Lower Benue FC, and then finish like this. So what is expected is the match day. Look at the match day here, and then date time. You can now use any text here, paste in. Then from here, let's use Bebas, for instance. Match day here. Then let's make it quick transparency a little bit, not much. I want to achieve a feel. Let's say feel that it is readjust it. From here, you can have that feeling that the match day is giving you that feeling that is behind or above the stadium. Yes, it's not just like a text that is just dropped in. So from here, what we need is we can draw. Okay, let's duplicate this rectangle down here. Give it a red color, probably red or white, as the case may be. And then we can drag it up like this. Use your shape to drag in, and then readjust this. We can change the one behind, the color of that one behind. Then from here, go copy the venue. This is the venue. Then from here, I think that's what is remaining. We can now copy from here I have a video on how to get these vectors, time, date and venue. You can check it in my previous video. Double click here, select or paste. Sorry, we didn't copy the venue. Copy here, select or paste it in, and then from here do the same thing. Drag like this. You drag as well in, change it to red for clear visibility, and then you can have the right to change the date. Let's Saturday. Change the date. You can come here, double click. You have Saturday like that in that order. Change it to black, and then from here the time you can change it to 3 p.m. Change it to black as well, and change to black. This is it, and so you have the liberty to readjust it. Let's change this to, yes, this font is better compared to the previous font. This is the venue, and then this is college. The spelling is not correct. Then from here we'll copy this. This is L, this is life, a life typed L, and then from here the symbol of this, so we can just extract it. We'll just extract it and then use it in our design here basically. So please check us in the comment section. We'll give you a link to this file so that you can now use it, continue be using it in your own designs as well. Shift page up, drag it down like this. I think we are now done with this design. Or let's give it some shadows down here. Give it some shadow down here. Click here, click on the football player, give it some shadows. The shadows are almost out, but let's copy them in. Cut. Let's cut the logos like that and bring them in to avoid exports by the edges. Let's wait for it a bit. I think this is all, and then we'll see you in our next tutorial. Thank you, and subscribe for more.